Welcome to Future Doctor NEET Academy. Today I am going to solve some problems in hydrocarbon chapter. Okay, so now let us see the first question in the chapter. Okay, see the first question, simple one. CH3CH2COONA soda lime. Soda lime means you must know it's a decarboxylating agent, isn't it? That removes CO2 molecule from the compounds. That's a role of this reagent. Okay, right. See the first one. So I write it here. Sodium propanoate, propanoate, isn't it? CH3CH2COONA, isn't it? Okay. Soda lime means it's a mixture of sodium hydroxide and calcium oxide, isn't it? It's a mixture of sodium hydroxide and calcium oxide. Okay. So this will not involve. This will involve in the reaction. So that suppose here these two are reacted together. So this will remove, no? Isn't it? You know that. That is, sodium carbonate is removed. So the product will be what? Here product will be what? Sodium carbonate. Na2CO3 will be removed. Plus, H goes here. Now it becomes what? CH3. Understood? So ethane is obtained. Okay, CH3 means this is called ethane. Understood? Right. Again, the same compounds undergo electrolysis. This is the first one. Okay. So we get A is what? It's called ethane. Then next one. Same compounds undergo electrolysis. So here, I let it here. CH3, CH2, COONA. Understood? Okay. It undergo electrolysis. Electrolysis means what happened? It undergo electrolysis. Okay. It is split into ions, no? So it becomes what? CH3, CH2, COO minus plus what? Na plus. That or not? Okay. Then it goes to Na plus, no? It goes to cathode, it goes to anode. So at anode reactions, what's anode reaction? At anode. Okay, at anode, what happens means, this one you write 2 times. Okay. Then only we get the product, stable product. CH3, CH2, COO minus. You write 2 times CH3. Okay. At anode, what happens means, just CO2, CO2. That is what? 2 times CO2 will be removed. Understood? Okay. Plus, minus, no? It will be 2 times electron will be removed. Understood? Okay. Plus, we get what? Remaining is what? CH3, CH2, CH2, CH3. This is a product. It's a stable product. Understood? So one bond will come between CH2 and CH2. Understood? So the product will be what? I write it here. So product will be what? CH3, CH2, CH2, what? CH3. So this is called what? 4 carbon, no? Simply this is called what? Butane. Understood? So A is ethane, B is what? Butane. Understood? A is ethane, B is what? Butane. So option B is the correct one. Understood? So the same compounds which undergoes decarboxylation to get A, the same compounds which undergo electrolysis to get B. Okay. So it's just conditions, you just remember, you're able to answer them. Next one. Second one, the reactions of 2-methyl propan 1-ol in presence of constant sulfuric acid at 443 Kelvin gives. Okay. Okay. So you know that it's a dehydrating agent that remove water molecule. No. So first you write this 2-methyl propan 1-ol. Propan means what? How many carbon? You have 3 carbon. 2-methyl, no. 2 having methyl. Understood? Propan 1-ol, no. 1 having what? OH. Understood? Remaining you can fill by hydrogen. You know that CH3. Understood? Here H I put it here. That's all. Understood? So here also you have to balance by carbon. Right. Understood? So this is called what? 2-methyl propan 1-ol. Understood? So if you put constant sulfuric acid, what happened? Concentrated sulfuric acid is a dehydrating agent. Understood? That remove water molecules from the compounds. Okay. Right. So here that here OH, it takes hydrogen from beta carbon. No. So this will be removed. So what? Okay. Now the double bond will come in between C and C. Double bond will come in between C and C. So the product will be what? This is a product, no? CH3, CH3. Okay. Then C, double bond, CH2, down, CH3. Understood? Right. So what's the name of, it's a propene, no? 3 carbon propene, 2 having methyl. So 2-methyl propene. Understood? 2-methyl propene. So C is the correct one. Okay. So each and every reagent role, if you must know, then only you can able to solve them. Understood? Next one. Third one, ozonolysis. It's a very important process. Ozonolysis of but-1-ene followed by zinc in presence of H2O gives. That's a question. But-1-ene means, but means how many carbon? We have 4 carbon. 1-ene means what? I put double bond in between 1 and 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Then you can fill by other place you put single bond. So what? CH3. This is what? CH2. Here what? CH will come. Understood? Then here also CH2 will come. If it undergo ozonolysis, what happens means, okay, you know that 2 oxygen. So this always goes to compound where the double bond is present. If the double bond is present in between the 2 carbon, no, then only the ozone molecule is going to add in between these 2 carbon. So ozonolysis is a process to find out to locate the position of double bond. Okay. So any compounds having double bond, this ozone molecule is going to react between that part only, it will react. Okay. Right. Now we are getting ozonide, no? So it is going to add in between these 2 carbon only. So CH3, CH2, understood? Okay. Then CH, okay. Top 1 oxygen, down you put 2 oxygen. Okay. So write like that. Then only no bond will come in between these 2 carbon. Understood? This is called ozonide. Then again if you add H2O, okay, zinc. So here when you add H2O, what happened? the bond will break here. You get two compounds. Okay, one is CH3, CH2, CHO. Nothing but propanol. Correct or not? This side one common, that side one common. This side what? This side is what? CH3, CH2, CHO. Understood? So this is not. This is three carbon. No, I simply say we can simply say what? Propanol plus what? That side what? CH2O. CH2O for our convenience we can write what? HCHO. Understood? So this is called only one carbon. No, only one carbon means what? It's called what? Methanol. Okay, methanol. Okay. Propanol and methanol. Propanol and methanol. So option C is the correct one. Understood? Right. Next one. When HBr adds to 2-methyl propene in presence of benzyl peroxide to form dash. Benzyl peroxide means you must know what rule? Anti-Markovnikov rule we should follow. Understood? Right. Now we write 2-methyl propene. 2-methyl propene. Propene means what? Okay, 3 carbon. 2-methyl propane. So what? Here 2-methyl propane. No. So you put double bond here. Okay, understood. So here no bond will come. So no hydrogen will come here. Here CH2. And HBr. No. HBr is added. So HBr is added. No. So you have to follow what? Which rule? Anti-Markovnikov rule. So you know that I told you many times. H plus Br minus. Then wherever double bond is present, you have to split like this. Okay. So here usually Markovnikov rule means negative part goes to carbon atom which carries less number of hydrogen. But here who is going means the positive part goes. Positive part goes to carbon atom. Okay. So positive part goes to carbon atom which carries less number of hydrogen. So positive part goes to carbon atom which carries less number of hydrogen. This only having no hydrogen. No. Okay. Positive part. Then negative part goes to other side. This is simple. Okay. Now the product will be what? CH3, C, understood, down, CH3, understood? Okay, then who will come here? Here H will come, no? The H I put on top. Then whenever anything is coming means the double bond becomes, single bond. So this side what? CH2Br, understood? CH2, the bromine will come, no? So CH2Br, that's all. Okay, the product will be, one having bromine, 1 bromo, 2-methyl propane, 1 bromo, 2-methyl propane, understood? D is the correct one. Understood? Simple. Benzyl peroxide means you must know you should follow what? Anti-Markovnikov rule. Okay, right. The fifth one, number of sigma bond and pi bond in 1,3 butadiene. Okay, butadiene. Buta means what? Buta means what? We have 4 carbon. Diene. Diene means we have 2 places having double bond. Okay, in between 1 and 2, cut off. In between 1 and 2, then only 1. In between 3 and 4, then only 3. Understood? In between, this is 1, no. In between 1 and 2, 1 put double bond. In between 3 and 4, you put double bond. Other place, you put single bond. Understood? Now, you can fill by hydrogen. Here, how to fill up? Here, 2 hydrogen. Here, 1 hydrogen. Here, 1 hydrogen. Here, 2 hydrogen will come. No? Understood? So, 1 hydrogen. Better or not? Okay. Right. Then you can, we have to find out the number of sigma bond. Number of sigma bonds, how to find out means, all the single bond is called sigma bond. Okay, no doubt. CH. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 7. So when you come to double bond, first bond always sigma bond. When you come to double bond, first bond always sigma bond. The next bond will be what? What? Next bond will be what? Pi bond. Understood? Next bond will be pi bond. Understood? Next bond will be pi bond. Simple. So you just count how many sigma bond? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 sigma bond. Then 2 pi bond. So this is the answer. Understood? Simple. You must know how to draw the 1,3 butadiene. Then only you'll be able to solve them. Sometimes they will give the structure. Okay. Nowadays they won't give any structure. Okay. So you must know how to draw the structure. Then only you'll be able to find out the number of sigma bond as well as number of pi bond. Next one, order of hybridization: sp3, sp and sp. Sp and sp, both are sp. Yeah. Okay. How to find out? Sp3 means I told you the same kind of sums I given many times. Sp3 means how many sigma bond? 4. Sp2 means 3 sigma bond. Sp means how many sigma bond? 2 sigma bonds should be there. Okay. You just keep in mind. Then you can able to solve them very easily. Here, all the compounds we have to find out, and then we can get the correct answer. Okay. So now I'm going to do the only one things, but easy one, very easy. So I'm going to take the C because CH3, wherever CH3 means automatically sp3, no doubt. Here also CH3, here also CH3, So this carbon will be sp3, no doubt. Understood? Okay. So I start from here. sp3, So you just expand this. Okay. You just expand this. CH3, So I'm taking this carbon, expand this. Okay. Then C again, triple bond, Okay. Then CH. Okay. Right. Then you can put it here. Okay. Right. Then I told you what? All the sigma bond means single bond means what? Sigma bond. Are you following? When I come to triple bond means first will be sigma. Okay. Remaining will be pi bonds. This is also sigma bond. Remaining will be what? Pi bond. Okay. Remaining will be pi bond. Two bond. 2 times I put pi bond. Okay. Right. So here. Only sigma bond only considered. The hybridization can be calculated only by sigma bond. Here, around the carbon atom. Around the carbon atom, how many sigma bond? In this case, we have around the carbon atom, we have 4 sigma. That's why 4 sigma means what? What kind of hybridization? sp3. Understood? Right. This is what? How many sigma bond around this? Only 2 sigma. 2 sigma means what? What? This is what? sp hybridization. Here also what? How many sigma bond? 2 sigma bond. That are not. This also having what? What kind of hybridization? sp hybridization. Understood? So sp3, sp3, sp means this only the correct one. Okay. Likewise, you can find out other also. You can find out easy one. Okay. It will not come in this order. It will come in some other order. Then only this is the correct one. Okay. If you find out for this one, everything will be reversed. sp3. Understood? If you find out for D, sp3. So totally different one. Okay. Next one. 7th one. This also ozonolysis followed by zinc hydrolysis. So ozonolysis means I take this common. What common? 2 3 dimethyl but2ene. Yeah. Ozonolysis means here when you do ozonolysis, what happens? The 3 oxygen is going to add in between. So first I write the A outright, CH3, C, CH3. Okay. Then no bond. Whenever ozone is added in between the 2 carbon, no bond will come. 1 oxygen top, another oxygen down, another 2 oxygen you put down. Already down 1 CH3 is there. So yeah, understood. We have to put that or not. Valence carbon valence is satisfied. No, carbon is satisfied. Here also satisfied. This is called ozonide. Again, this is called A only. But first is what? B only they're asking. Okay. So if you add water, zinc in place of water molecule, what happens? So that will split. No, that will break. That will break like this. You're getting 2 compounds. This side 1 common, that side 1 common. See this side, just try to understand. CH3, CO, CH3. Understood? This is nothing but what? CH3, C double bond O, CH3. This is called propanone. Correct or not? 2 times. So we can say it is called propanone. So propanone. So answer will be what? What is it? B only they're asking. Answer C. Understood? B is what? Answer is what? Propanone. That's the answer. Okay. So these are the sums I solved. Okay. Any doubt means you can ask me. I hope you understood everything. Thank you, students.